What's up, guys? Today I'm reviewing the Low Pro tonneau cover by Truxedo. So I've had this tonneau cover on my truck for about approximately a year and a half now, and I just washed my truck today. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how dirty my tonneau cover still is and how to clean it. Today I will be putting leather cleaner and leather conditioner on there, and I'll show you before and after. I'm going to do a little speed up in between so you guys don't have to watch the whole cleaning process, but hopefully you enjoy this video. Hopefully it helps you decide if you want to get this for your truck. Hey Naomi, say hi to YouTube. She's about to go practice driving this bad boy after this video. So the products we're going to be using today is going to be the Meguiar's leather cleaner, which will be applied first. And then we'll apply Meguiar's leather conditioner second, and you guys will see the difference. So I ended up having to do a voiceover on the video because we're recording, there's way too much wind noise in the background. So that's the reason why we're doing a voiceover today, which is cool because it's a good experience with me in editing on Premiere Pro and incorporating voiceover in the background. But here you see me applying the leather cleaner section by section, just with a microfiber towel. Once you finish with the leather cleaner, just go ahead and roll it back up to the front. Start over with your leather conditioner. Do it section by section. The leather conditioner is also great for your plastics in the interior and exterior of your vehicle. I'm going to use it on my running boards. I'm going to use it to clean my dash, my mirrors, anything that has plastic. Here you'll see me wiping down the trim plastics next to the tonneau cover. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a comparison of a section that has not been done and the rest that has. Look at the difference. You can see right here I did miss a spot on the plastics, but that's no big deal. Come back and hit that again. Look, it's night and day. Alright, here's going to be the final product for the tonneau cover and the rear plastics. I love this tonneau cover, nice and flush, looks clean. Here's my bull ring. I'll link that in the description if you guys want to get those. Those are great for ratchet straps or tying anything down in the bed of your truck. Those snap down nice and flush too. We'll go ahead and hit the running boards with some of that leather conditioner and see how long it lasts, see how it turns out. And then I'm also going to, look at this fucking redneck right here. What's he want? Alright, but yeah, we're gonna hit this today. We're gonna hit the running boards. We're also gonna hit this faded part here that got some faded. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to be black. Take a look at the redneck's truck over here. Tell you how it's supposed to look.
It's supposed to look like that.
It's supposed to look black.
Yeah, see that?
And flush.
Yeah.
As well as this too. You also hit this with some plastic
And the mirrors.
restoration spray.
Yeah. Makes it look nice.
Nice. Makes it look nice. Alright. Let's go ahead and give this a spray. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Hi Naomi. Alright, take a look at this running board over here. This is after that leather conditioner was put on there, and look at the results of this. It looks like a brand new running board. Compared to over here, you can see the half where I haven't done yet. Look at that. That's insane. This stuff I would highly recommend, guys. Cheap. You can get this at Walmart, O'Reilly's, AutoZone for like less than 10 bucks.